If every household in Hawaii needs to be 2 weeks ready, but every ohana is a little different, how do you make your supplies right for you? You make a plan.
It doesn't have to be complicated, but your plan should look at the specific needs of your household.
2 weeks ready is the guideline, but that could mean 2 weeks of baby food, 2 weeks of blood pressure medicine, or 2 weeks of cat treats. It all depends on what the people and pets in your household need to be safe after a hurricane or other emergency.
So talk about it. Take some time to discuss who is part of your ohana and what they need. That may change over time. So even if you already have supplies, take a few minutes to review your plan every year.
Maybe someone got a new prescription. Maybe someone decided they don't eat fish anymore. The key is that your supplies should provide the right food, water, and other supplies for your household.
In our next few episodes, we'll look at some different households and how they meet their different emergency needs.